what I want to get across to our ambassadors who are greeting people in the store, we want you to engage people as they pass, whether it's women or men. We want you to look for people that specifically may have a problem that you can see, as far as having acne on their face or having razor bumps or razor irritation. Those are the key people you want to specifically go after. But anyone who is in the age group of, let's say, 20 to 45 would be good candidates, especially African Americans. But you also want to engage Caucasians within that same group, especially men. But keep in mind that women buy products for men. So just because a woman is there, you can inquiry in terms of whether or not she has a husband or a son that is having issues with razor bumps, razor rash, or with acne. So what you want to do is, when you engage them and they come up to you, the first thing you want to do is what you're actually demoing is the Hydroglide Ascend Shave Gel. And you want to let them know this is revolutionary, and what it does is it provides a superior shave, and it's the first step in preventing razor bumps and razor rash. It can be used by women and men. So you want to engage women for shaving legs and underarm and bikini line as well with this product. You'll have all three of these products on your stand, but the only product you'll actually will be sampling will be the Hydroglide Ascend. This shave gel, what you do is you tell them to take their hand, open the hand out. You want to show them how it works. You take a small amount and put on the hand, in the palm of the hand, and you have them, and you show them just how to do it. You want them to put their hands together like this, not just rub like this. You want them to actually rotate their hands like this, and then tell them to see that their palm has already been softened just that quick, so they can imagine how the hair would be softened when you put it on any area to be shaven. And it's anti-aging in it, so it's good for the skin. After they get through shaving, they put more on because it's anti-aging and good for the skin. And have them to smell it. It has a nice fragrance as well. So that's the demo part that lets them see immediately how it can benefit them. And the softening is good for 12-24 hours, so it's really good for that. Now, so that's what you're demoing, but then you want to make them aware that we have a shave system that is complete. After they shave with the shave gel, then they put on the razor rash relief cream. Any area that's shaved, they put the razor rash cream on afterwards. And this is antibacterial, and this keeps the hair from curling back into the skin and causing razor bumps or the razor rash and irritation that can occur in the face area when shaved, or underarm or bikini line area. So this is put on after shaving to prevent any bumps or razor rash from occurring. So the two work great together, but even if they don't have any problem with shaving whatsoever, they can get a superior shave by just doing the Hydroglide Ascend Shave Gel. But if they are experiencing any irritation, bumps, or razor rash, then they want to use the razor rash cream afterwards. To start the process off, it would be good for them to have the clear skin. It's for clear skin, and it's an acne wash. So if you want just clear skin, you can use the clear skin acne wash. You don't have to have acne. It will leave the skin feeling nice and clean and smooth, and will prevent oiliness of the skin. So before they shave, they can wash their face with this to have clean skin and clear skin, and then start the shave process, and then put the razor rash on afterwards. If it's a female or a male who just has acne only, then they can just use the clear skin wash. Even though it's not in the acne section, it is in the shave section, they can still access the clear skin wash for the face. So you want to approach them for whether they have shaving issues or not, to just use the clear skin acne wash. And if they want the best system, then they'd wash with this first, then shave with this, and then put this on right afterwards. Some of the key features you want to do when you are using one words to try to make them aware of what it does. No more bumps, clear non-oily skin. So if you have oily skin, it won't be oily anymore. And then another key phrase is move your 5 o'clock shadow to after midnight for men. Those for men who aren't having a shaving problem. They say, well, I don't have a problem with shaving. You say, well, how would you like to move your 5 o'clock shadow to after midnight? by just using the Hydroglide Ascend Shave Gel. The other thing is you want to have a call to action when you finish your presentation to them and say, well, which products would you like to purchase today to get great results right away? And so you close the deal that way. The thing is, as people are coming by and you're demoing to people, keep in mind that you can give a flyer to someone who's just passing by on the information on it. And we will have some samples to give out as well, but if samples are not available at the time of this demo, then you will have a tear-off pad. The thing is to give out as many tear-off pads as many people that come by who you think might be a candidate for purchasing it. So even if they don't purchase it today, they can purchase it later on. So if your call to action doesn't end up with a sale right then, make sure you put something in their hand so they know how to identify it when they come back to the store by using a tear-off pad flyer that you can give them. The other thing is, before you start your demo, it would be good to talk with the Walmart employees around in that area. Let them know that what this product is. You can show them what it is and tell them what it does and give them a tear-off pad. Many of the people who work in that store would be some good candidates for purchasing this product. So before you get started with your demo, you could pass out some tear-off pads to some of the staff and people that you see that work there before you get started. So that's pretty much what you need to do on your sales sheet that you have. We have some other things that maybe the shopper might ask, like, I use clippers, can I continue to use your clippers? Yes, you can use your clippers, and this will work together with your clippers. You put this on and then use your clippers to get a closer, better shave. Put your razor rash on afterwards so you don't get any bumps, and wash your face, of course, first with this. You can use a razor even if you never could before, though, you tell them. So if they'd like to start using a razor and get a closer, better shave than clippers, they can. But if they don't want to, then they can continue to use their clippers by putting this on first and using their clippers and get a closer shave. The other thing that we want to talk about is how soon can they see results? They see major improvement in reduction of bumps in just 3 days. So that it works really quickly for this process to clear razor bumps and irritation. The other thing that we want to talk about is some of the wash is used, as we said, for shaving and for acne, or just to have better skin. So that's pretty much it. You want to approach people who don't have the problem. Tell them this would be a great gift for your husband or for your son or your daughter that has acne. So maybe it won't help them, but they know somebody that it would help, and so they may want to purchase it and give it as a gift. They can also go to moreunique.com and find more information. If you think that they're a type that would want more information, it will be on their flyer to go to moreunique.com for additional information. Thanks a lot for promoting our products, and we appreciate your efforts.